I used the exact same image and the exact same prompt in two different AI tools. But the results? Completely different. One of them gave me insane cinematic detail, and the other one completely changed the style. Let's test which one is actually better for image manipulation. So here's the plan. I'll take the single image of a boy, use one powerful prompt, and run it through both tools, one by one. No changes, no tricks, just pure comparison. First, we're inside Flow. I upload the image, using the Nano Banana Pro model. Then copy my pre-written cinematic prompt from my website. Paste it, and let's generate. And this is the result. Notice the lighting, the depth, the realism. It feels like a movie scene. Nano Banana Pro focuses heavily on cinematic realism. You get sharper details, better shadows, and more control over mood. Now let's do the exact same thing. Same image, same prompt, but this time using Imagen 2.0 inside ChatGPT. No edits, no optimization. Just paste and generate. And here's what we get. This one looks different. The style is cleaner, slightly more AI polished, and less cinematic compared to Nano Banana. But it's faster and more consistent. So here's the real difference. Nano Banana Pro equals more cinematic, more dramatic, more creative control. Imagen 2.0 equals cleaner, faster, more stable results. If you're creating thumbnails, storytelling visuals, or cinematic edits, Imagen 2.0 wins. But if you want quick and stable outputs, Nano Banana Pro is solid. Now tell me, which one would you actually use? And if you want the exact prompts I used, then check the link in the comments section. Thanks for watching.